Dr. J. You're going to be hearing from Mr. Topstep in a second. Mr. Topstep is called Topstep because the very top ring of that pit, that's where the biggest traders stand. You want to know what they're doing, you got to watch Mr. Topstep.
From the CME Group, this is Danny Riley in the S&P 500. We're in another pretty quiet day here on the trading floor. There's not a real lot of activity in any of these areas. They do have some rather large volume in the euro-dollar options. We've been reading the volumes wrong off the board, but today they have about 450,000 options traded over in the euro options. Over in the 10-year note options, it's a little bit quieter over there. They've only got about 30 to 50,000 traded. As far as the S&P goes, we're dead smack into the middle of the roll now. Everybody's concentrating on the spreads. They're not thinking so much about the outrights. And you can kind of see that in the volumes when you subtract the spreads from the outright volume. If you do that in the big S&P today, they've got 17,000 March traded and they've got 11,000 Ds traded. That means there's only 6,000 big S&Ps traded. When you take out the spreads out of the mini, the volumes come down to about 1 million, which is about average or a little lower than average from what we've been seeing. As far as the markets are concerned, we're up 7 handles right now. What we've been thinking is over the last couple of days as the market sold off, it's been kind of in a back and fill pattern again. Exactly the same patterns that have made the market go up throughout the rally since we made our low in last March. Again, the S&P is up 70%. We can't buy it, we can't sell it here. It's just too much risk involved as far as trying to make these day trades during the expiration and the rollover. It's too quiet. We just don't recommend anything right now, and a lot of the traders that we talk to feel the same way. As far as the rest of the day is concerned, we're going to go back to our looking for a low the Thursday or Friday, the week before expiration. That's one of the trades that we look at, and it's generally worked pretty well. And then we've got the Monday coming up, which last Monday was down. I think it's 10 out of the last Mondays have been up. 10 out of the last 13 Mondays have been up. So it's still a pretty good stat despite last Monday being down. We've got two new things to talk about, my haircut and my trading jacket. We've moved from DT trading. We had a really good run at DT, but there was a better offer made to us, the desk. Moving forward, we moved to Vision Financial Markets. It's a full clearing firm of the Merck. They're a full clearing firm of all the U.S. markets. They clear the ICE, they clear the SIBO. It's a better deal for us as far as being able to get into a firm, having direct access into it. As far as the rest of the day goes concerned, we still think the market's going to go up. There's a lot of doubt of whether or not the S&P can push up to 1130, 1150, but as far as we see, that could be a one-day event. You know, right now the SPUs are up 6 or 7. One of these days before the end of the year, it wouldn't be impossible to see the SPUs up 20 or 30, right into our target levels on the upside. As far as the rest of the day is concerned, like we said, we're in the rollover. It's very quiet, and that's all we've got from here for today.